This is a certified pre-owned 2009 Acura TL. This car has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a rear-view camera, high-intensity headlights, commercial-free satellite radio, 18-inch alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: memory setting for the driver's seat's position so you can recall your favorite position with the touch of one button, dual power seats, steering wheel mounted controls, steering wheel mounted gear shift, an electronic throttle, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear impact crumple zones, and this vehicle has less than 32,000 miles. This Acura has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Smale Acura is conveniently located at 5035 Route 30 East in Greensburg, just half a mile from the Westmoreland Mall. Contact us today to find out about our financing specials and leasing offers, and make sure to visit us at smaleacura.com.